Today, let's learn how to create target lines in Excel charts like the one you're seeing on your screen right now to visually help you understand whether you've hit your target or not. And this is dynamic. For example, if the target value changes here to, let's say, 65,000, you'll see the target line shift and update automatically. Let's change this one more time to 100,000. So that's what we are going to do in this video, and without wasting more time, let us start designing. The first thing that I will do is to duplicate this worksheet right here so that we can start from scratch. I'll just create a copy and send it to the end. Let's rename this worksheet right here to something like dynamic target line. Get rid of this chart right here so that we can start from scratch. And finally, we've come to the end of our design. If you enjoyed this video, kindly give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.